Hello and welcome to Fun Sock Creations Star Wars Inspired Tie-Dye series. This is part 1 of the 7-part series. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a light side sock and a dark side sock. You could always customize this and do just one color on both if you favor one side over the other. To create this look, you'll need the following supplies. Make sure you check out funsockcity.com to find the comfiest white socks for this project. Let's get started! Before beginning to tie-dye, always get your socks nice and wet and then wring out all the excess water until they are just damp. For the fold on these socks, I just did a simple twist of the entire sock and then rolled it together, almost like a cinnamon roll shape. Once you have it rolled in the way that you'd like, take a rubber band and wrap it tightly around the sock. Set that sock aside and repeat the same process on the other sock. Prepare a surface that is okay to get dye on it, then mix the dye as the directions say. Dye one entire sock red and then the other sock blue. Between the different colors, make sure you clean off your hands and dye it in a different spot on your surface so you don't mix the colors. Then place them each in their own baggies so they don't mix colors, and let them sit for at least 24 hours. After that, you can run them underwater with the rubber band still on. Then remove the rubber band and run them underwater till the water runs clear. I like to throw them in the wash at this point and then dry them in the dryer. After that, you're all set to go and you can wear them.